Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best brushes for German Shepherds that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Firminator Long Hair Dog Deshedding Tool. The Firminator is a great tool that makes it easy for grooming to be done in the comfort of your home. The Undercoat Deshedding Tool helps remove loose hair from the bottom coat of your dog. This brush that can be used for German Shepherd grooming is able to move through your dog's top coat into the undercoat without cutting or tearing its skin. It is usually used on large dogs and can be used at any time of the day. For the best results, comb through your dog's hair to detangle it before using the tool. It is a reusable tool that works for different hair types. It weighs approximately 9.6 ounces and is 6.8 times 5.5 times 2.5 inches. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Herzo Self-Cleaning Dog Slicker Brush. Another option in choosing the best dog brush for German Shepherds is the Herzo Self-Cleaning Slicker Brush. This brush is tailor-made with the dog and the owner in mind. The product is made by animal-loving people who want to create quality products for their animals. Their aim is to make grooming an exciting experience. The tool is characterized by its ability to get rid of dirt and tangles in a dog's fur. It is also made of durable and environment-friendly materials. The product weighs about 3.2 ounces and is 5.8 x 3 by 10 inches. At number 3, we have the Safari Dematting Hairbrush. The Safari Dematting Comb is a grooming tool made with the coarse and long-haired furry animal in mind. Coastal Pet Products, the producer of the tool, is an organization that is dedicated to safety, quality, and innovation. They pride themselves in making products that reflect their love for animals. It is that love that birthed this tool, which is good for a variety of coat types, especially coarse and long ones. This tool is 8.5 x 4 by 10 inches and weighs 0.8 ounces. At number 2, we have the Kong Dog ZoomGroom Multi-Use Brush. This tool is definitely one of the best dog brushes for German Shepherd hair available, and for the right reason. It attached loose hair to itself like a magnet, making deshedding really easy. Kong Dog ZoomGroom Multi-Use Brush provides an extra luxury by massaging your German Shepherd while cleaning it. It can be used on any type of dog while it is either wet or dry. And finally, at number 1, we have the GoPets Dematting Comb for dogs. The GoPets Dematting Comb is a special grooming tool for the German Shepherd owner who wants that extra silkiness to their pet. GoPets was founded by pet owners that were passionate about using only quality, animal-friendly grooming tools for their pets. This multi-purpose tool allows for a wide range of uses: dematting, detangling, deshedding, and undercoat raking. German Shepherds with long hair are often faced with the problem of having tangles coming together to form mats. This tool completely takes care of that problem. It is very safe to use and works on all sizes of animals and all types of hair types. The multi-purpose nature of the tool allows you to save cost as well. The tool weighs 3.52 ounces and is 8.9 times 2.5 times 1.4 inches. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon